What's up YouTube, it's your boy James back with another video, and today we're going to take a look at the Jordan 6 Alternate. Before we get started, if you could do me a huge favor and hit that like button for me. And if you're new to the channel or haven't yet already subscribed, please subscribe below and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any content on sneaker reviews, gear, and sports related items. So guys, I took another weekend of L's. Took L's on those Jordan 1 Satins, took L's on the Jordan 1 Tokyos, took L's on the Jordan 6s that just came out as well. So it had me thinking, man, the sneaker game is just messed up. I'm pretty much convinced that if you don't run a bot or have friends that run bots, you're just really ain't getting shoes. Or you just gotta be really lucky to get them. So, you either adapt or you die, right? So, I started looking back at previous releases from previous years and just checking out the market and seeing what some of those shoes are going for, because if there's shoes that come out that you want, you're gonna have to pay a little bit of resale. So I went back and looked at the Jordan 6s that were released. So I went back 3 years and the Jordan 6 Alternate was released, and it was slept on by a lot of people. It really wasn't hyped, and a lot of people passed on it because it was another red shoe and it wasn't an OG colorway, and kind of sat around a little bit. But if you go on StockX and you look up this shoe, as you can see that they're going for $300 and up. So if you got a pair laying around, you could easily flip these. But if you go on eBay, these shoes are going for way less. So if you wanted to cop a pair on eBay and then flip them on StockX and make a little bit of profit, you know, you could go after another shoe that you want with the money. I recently did a video on how to buy shoes on eBay and if it's safe to buy shoes, and I'm going to leave a link up there for that. The Jordan 6 is one of my favorite silhouettes of all time. Since it came out in 1991, it's been a favorite of myself and many other people throughout the world. I haven't really liked a lot of the 6s that have come out in 2020. The DMPs were the only thing that really caught my interest, but I did pass on those. I may cop them later on, I'm not sure, but I just really haven't been into them so much, you know, as far as the colorways. But I do try to cop them most of the time. So with the huge gap in prices from eBay to like StockX and GOAT and places like that, I definitely think this is a shoe that you should consider getting. Whether you want to keep it for yourself or flip it, I definitely think this is some valuable information. I do have a pair here, so let's take a look at the shoe. Comes in your black Jordan box, and the size tag reads white, gym red, pure platinum. I did already kind of relace them. I moved the lace lock down to the bottom here. That's something that I do with all my 6s. And I have already worn these a few times very lightly, but I did just recently get them just a couple of months ago. I originally did sleep on them when they were first released, but it's just been so hard to get shoes that I've just been going back in the past and seeing what's available for like a decent price. And I got these way under retail. I think I only paid like $170, $160 for them, and they retailed for $190, so I thought it was a pretty good deal. So if you're a Retro 6 fan like me, or you're looking for a quick flip, this is definitely something that you should look into. So these are a size 8, and on StockX right now, the lowest ask is $324. A size 8.5 is $365. So I mean, like around $300, like if you have a dead stock pair, you could definitely get some money for these. Alright, so let's take an up close look at the Alternate 6s. Alright, so here's our first up close look at these. Starting at the top, you have your perforated holes. This is a gym red color. And then you have your suede gray parts. And that's very soft, guys. I don't know if it's real or fake, but it's definitely very soft. Down here you have the gum bottom with the gym red and the white midsole. There's your air pocket. Here you have your front toe box. I moved the lace locks down to the bottom. I do this on all my 6s. I just think it looks so cool. And that's how I lace them. So you got your white laces. No other laces come in the box, guys. You do have your white Jumpman in the middle. Here on the back of the shoe, you have your Jumpman, and it says Air in the back. You do have your red sock liner with the white Jumpman inside. The back of the tongue says 1991, and that's signifying the birth of the Jordan 6 when it first came out, and also the year that Michael Jordan won his first championship. I did originally pass on these when they were first released, but then I realized I was wrong, and this is a dope shoe. But you can only have so many red Jordans. And let's get into some on-feet action. So there you have it, guys. Let me know down in the comment section, what do you think of these? Did you pass on them when they were first released? Do you plan on getting them? And what do you think about the huge increase in price on these since they were slept on for so long? As always, I appreciate any and all support. Before you go, if you could hit that like button for me, and if you're new to the channel or haven't yet already subscribed, please subscribe below and hit that notification bell. It really does help the channel grow, guys, and there's a lot more content on the way. I really do appreciate all the support, and until next video, peace.